Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Sportage? This is the 2016 Kia Sportage. Stock number is T19802A1. I'm going to give you a virtual video walk around and show you the exterior of this Sportage and up close and personal on the interior. The Sportage has had a 150-point vehicle inspection completed on it. It is a four-wheel drive, so that's going to give you some peace of mind in the inclement weather that we get in the Great Pacific Northwest, whether it be rain or snow. Lots of ample room in the rear. And we're going to put you in the rear back here. Lots of ample leg room. Does come equipped with Sirius XM radio. It has that available. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior front, as you can see. Easy access to all your controls within arm's length, and a comfortable drive in this super clean, low mileage Kia Sportage. For more information on her or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you in person and hopefully earning your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around on this Sportage. This is Scott saying make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.